The following is a list of all team-to-team transactions that have occurred in the National Hockey League (NHL) during the 2018-19 NHL season. It lists which team each player has been traded to, signed by, or claimed by, and for which players are draft picks, if applicable. Players who have retired are also listed. Retirement. Contract terminations. A team and player may mutually agree to terminate a player's contract at any time. All players must clear waivers before having a contract terminated. Buyouts can only occur at specific times of the year. For more details on contract terminations as buyouts, free agency. Imports. This section is for players who were not previously on contract with NHL teams in the past season. Listed as their previous team in the league that they belong to. Trades. Retained salary transaction. Each team is allowed up to 3 contracts on their payroll where they have retained salary in a trade, i.e. the player no longer plays with Team A due to a trade to Team B, but Team A still retains some salary. Only up to 50% of a player's contract can be kept, and only up to 15% of a team's salary cap can be taken up by retained salary. A contract can only be involved in one of these trades twice. Hover over retained salary or conditional transactions for more information. June, July, August, September, October. Waivers. Once an NHL player has played in a certain number of games or a set number of seasons has passed since the signing of his first NHL contract, see here, that player must be offered to all of the other NHL teams before he can be assigned to a minor league affiliate. See also 2018-19 NHL season, 2018 NHL entry draft, 2019 NHL entry draft, 2018 in sports, 2019 in sports, 2017-18 NHL transactions. References.